on this entry, but still caught it. Did not happen long ago. So today is Tuesday, the 7th. I was trying to catch a live trade of the trade alert, which I posted last night, which was a short at 41.13 over here. So this is the short. I always tell the group members to target 100. So it's 8 S&P ticks, even though very often a lot more is available. But I'm going to practice what I preach and just go for the 100. By the way, this is a funded account. The same account I've been showing on my recap videos for February. I want to see what the total is by the time the month is over. Incidentally, this is the YM, which is also triggered. So the YM is 20 ticks, $100. I actually target a bit more than 100 just to make up for commissions and slippage. Okay, so the YM hits its target first. Let's maybe make it a bit bigger so we can see. Oops. This was the trade. I think 8.15 was the trigger on the YM, right? Yep. 8.15 was a short on the YM. So again, a funded account. Let's go back to the ES. Okay, and the S&P does well over here as well. Yeah, so we're about to open here, so things are going to start getting busy for me. If I can't catch something else, I'll try and show it here. If not, then I guess every day I'm going to try to show at least one live trade whenever is possible, you know. Yeah, for now though, that's it. Well, I was talking, the oil triggered as well. So the oil was long at 74.84, I believe. Yep, 74.84 long for oil. It actually hit the trigger long a while ago, back during the European session, and then came down because, as you know, very often prices will retest the trigger areas. So I guess I can just leave it here. I have to do other things, so there will not be any narration, but you guys can just see the trade. Sorry, guys. Okay, so looks like the oil hit its target as well. So doing great this morning. Again, a funded account. That's the only thing I can do this morning as far as live trades. I do have to get back to the channel and to my own trading. But like I said, I'm going to try every day to catch at least one live trade. Thank you, guys. Tuesday the 7th. What a day. The Autotrader is back. For those of you who don't know, I had some kind of a Windows update a few days ago, and it somehow wiped out my Blue Wave license, and so the Autotrader was out of commission. But Blue Wave was nice enough to help me out to restore everything. Everything has been restored. The Autotrader is back. I have some live trading, which I will show up a bit later after I go over the trade alerts. So this again is the account that I dedicated to trading the alerts. This account only trades these alerts. It only trades each alert once with one E-mini and targeting $100 per instrument. So the only one, well, no, I did not trade two today. So I really don't trade the euro. No, the euro, from what I'm hearing from the traders, did well. I really don't follow it. I don't trade it. But some traders who are from Europe requested it. So I'm doing 6E. The Autotrader took everything else, and I actually disabled the Autotrader right before gold hit its trigger. And I said in the channel, I'm disabling it. And the funny thing was, a couple of minutes after I disabled it, the trigger hit, and then the target was hit. And it did it without me, and it's okay. Look, I never feel bad. Trades that I miss, it was a conscious decision. I just disabled the Autotrader. But really, we don't appreciate what we have until we don't have it anymore. I had so much difficulty because I'm doing so many things, trading without the Autotrader. It was nice to just set it up this morning. It took all the trades I allowed it to take. It was done. Most of the trades were already done before the U.S. market even opened at 9:30, except the Nasdaq, I think, and I think maybe the YM. I'm not sure, but yeah, just a terrific day all around. So this account started as of February 1st. The balance was 161,000, I think 530. Why did I start at that amount? Because when I take a payout, I always leave at least $10,000 above the starting balance. This way I have available drawdown of at least $10,000, and that just helps me to not blow the account. It's possible I take some losses and I might lose 1,000, 2,000, 2,500, but I'm not going to lose 10,000. So, and I recommend to all my group members to do the same. Grow your accounts. I know it's tempting to take the money, but grow your accounts. Let's quickly go over the trade alerts. So the Nasdaq was a buy at 12,583. Triggered first at around 11 o'clock, and believe it or not, this is more than 5 points. Again, I always encourage traders to take 5 points. This is where the Autotrader got it 5 points. And then, of course, Mr. Powell was speaking and right through the trigger, gave you like 200 points or something. And then retraced. And just actually a couple of minutes ago, triggered again on the long side. So, of course, those triggers trigger a number of times, most of the time in the session, because these prices are important to the market. So again, if you would have taken this, definitely more than 5 points. Let's go to the S&P. The S&P was a long at 41.46 or a short at 41.13. So I think my trade was actually a short trade, but after Powell started to talk, it triggered on the long side. Definitely gave you more than 2 points. Triggered on the short side. Again, gave you more than 2 points. And I think I got my 2 points somewhere over here. Don't remember exactly, but it was a live trade. Somewhere over here. It doesn't look like much, but it is 2 points. Easier to see now, obviously. So actually, we have a member in the channel who actually counted how many times today the S&P hit the trigger and got its 2 points. And I think it counted like 11 or 12 times. 11 or 12 times today, the S&P triggered got $100. Went above the trigger, triggered again, got $100, and so on and so forth. So a very good day for the S&P today. Okay, so oil was a buy at 74.84. So triggered early during the night, during the European session. But then look at this, and it's a beauty of a thing. During the US session, just kisses the trigger and right out. And again, kisses the trigger and right out. And that's what we love to see. That's why I'm saying that these numbers are important and they need to be tested. And there is always another opportunity. So there was never, if you miss a trade, it's okay. There will always be another opportunity. So oil did really well today. All right, the Dow. The Dow was a short at 33,815. It was the short. We're looking for 20 ticks on the Dow. Again, a number of opportunities to get short. So you never have to worry about missing a trade. The Dow also did really well. Yeah, gold. So the instrument that I disabled and then did really well. So the gold was a buy at 1885. Just came through the trigger beautifully, gave you your 10 ticks, and then look how nice. Comes back again. Here it is. You always have a second chance. Comes back again, just touches the trigger, just a tiny little risk over here, and up we go. So a thing of beauty. The Russell was a short at 1954. So right, well, slightly before, but then during the session as well. I can make this a bit bigger. Triggers, gives you 20 ticks, comes back again, much smaller risk over here. Triggers, gives you more than 20 ticks, comes back again, triggers, and once again, gives you more than 20 ticks. Over here until just exploding out to the upside. But, you know, great. The idea is once you get your 100, you are done. You don't keep going for more. But if you miss a trade, there is always another opportunity. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know that I had fun. If you want to join us, drop me an email. If you own the Blue Wave Autotrader and you did not renew your license or you're not sure if you should get it, I am now working with Randy, and Randy will give special pricing to my subscribers. So if you are interested in a Blue Wave Autotrader, again, please drop me an email and we'll talk. Thank you, guys.